Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make a very simple and delicious wheat porridge, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Without wasting much time, let's get started. For this recipe I'll be using cracked wheat. You can find this in your local shops or any Indian shops. I'll also be using full fat milk, cinnamon powder, and also salted butter. In a saucepan, start by roasting the wheat on a low to medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once it's done, transfer it into another bowl to cool down. Next, I'll go ahead and wash it nicely and set it aside. So after giving it a wash, you can let it sit down to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, or you can start to cook it straight away. So I've added some water to it, and I'm going to allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Next, in the saucepan, add the full fat milk and bring it to a boil. You can use any milk of your choice for this recipe. At this point, add half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Next, keep stirring until it dissolves. It will give it a very nice aroma. Next, I'll go ahead and add the wheat to the boiling milk. And I'm going to allow it to cook on a medium heat. So as you cook, it will start to thicken up. Next, add the salted butter and keep stirring. So as you can see, it has started to thicken up. I'm going to go ahead and add some more milk. And you can do this depending on how you like it. And please kindly subscribe to my channel, like and also share. So next, I'm going to allow it to simmer on a low heat until it's nicely cooked. This is a very simple and delicious wheat porridge recipe that you can make for your breakfast. It's a very quick and easy, and it tastes very, very delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So as you can see, it's very nice and creamy at this point, and it's all done. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.